Hi cosplayers! Welcome back to my channel. For my subscribers, welcome and thank you for being a part of this family. And to the new viewers that are first time watching a video on this channel, thank you for being here. And if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. You do not know how it makes my heart so happy. Each new subscriber, each new like makes me so happy and motivates me to keep making the content for you. So thank you! I'm sure you guys must have seen that video that's been circulating on the internet of this girl who puts on this mascara that apparently creates an infinite layer of mascara for you, and then she goes on to make some big ass thing in her eye, which is weird, but okay. And I was like, when I saw that video, I was like, that is not true. That's some fake BS right there.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Okay, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try it because I want to see if this thing is true, and if it is true, hey, good, I'm gonna have a perfect mascara. I don't need to worry about lashes for a long time. And if it's not, I'm just gonna return it. So let's try this thing out. So it comes in a really pretty cool packaging. I mean, all shiny and pretty. The bad part about it is that it's mostly in Chinese or Japanese. I don't know, because I don't know how to read this. So I can't really read the instructions for you. There are some parts that do, like this. I know it's gonna reflect, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but all of this right here is Chinese or Japanese. There's nothing in English here, so I don't know. There's like that's what it says to me. And then there's this over here on the side that says real results, and then it shows before and then after. And then it says actual product results. Many women said it made their lashes longer instantly. Most of women said it was easy to apply and didn't flake on their eyes. Most of women said it was rich black in color and made their eyes look bolder. Most of women said they will buy it again and recommend to others. So let's see if I'm the most women. So you're gonna open it up. If I can do that in a very orderly fashion, because I'm not very good with that. See, not very good. Okay, and I mean, I like the packaging. Come on, mascara doesn't come like this anymore, so it's like super, ooh, you know, makes you interested. So basically, since there's no instructions that I can understand, I'm gonna go ahead and assume that there's two parts to this, because I've used one of these before. It was like 7 years ago and I never used one again. So I kind of have an idea of how you use this, but I mean, I don't think, in my mind, I don't think there's any way that this could go wrong. So this is the mascara, right? And then this must be the little fibers. Yeah, so the fibers are black. The one that I used before, the fibers were actually white, and then you had to coat them with the mascara, so that's pretty cool. I just want to show you guys up close. Can you guys see, like, there's a little fibers right there? And then this is just the regular mascara. So first I apply the mascara. So it can be sticky, and then I will go ahead and apply the fibers on top and then apply the mascara again. Because that's the way I use the other one, and I'm assuming this is the same way. Because I mean, it's pretty much common sense. Like, you can't just apply the fibers on dry hair. It's just gonna fall over your face and you're gonna look like you have extra facial hair that you don't have. So okay, so I applied the on the upper lashes, and now I'm applying on the lower lashes. I'm applying the fibers. What do you guys think so far? I'm digging it. this is one coat, okay? So it basically looks almost the same as my other eye, which this right here takes a couple of layers of mascara and a couple of different mascaras. So I'm going to show you what I use. So I use these three right here mascara. So one from Maybelline, another one, both of them from Maybelline, and then this one is from Douche. I don't know how to say that, but yeah, I use these three in the morning, and I like coating my mascara. I really like to coat my mascara because I like big lashes, but I don't necessarily like to wear lashes all the time because they feel heavy on my eyes, so I just really like to have the mascara. So in my opinion, one coat is looking similar to what I already had. So let's try a second coat. I'm trying to brush it to see if it won't clump as much, but pretty far. So this is how it looks with the second coat. You can clearly see it's already starting to get bigger than my other eye, so we're getting somewhere with this. I am noticing that it's like accumulating a little bit of the fiber on top. Maybe I'm not just applying it right, I don't know, but it's already looking bigger. So let's keep applying this to see how far we can get with this thing. Okay, wow, so we're at 10 layers of DDK mascara, and this is how we look so far. So clearly this eye right here is much bigger than that one, but it does look a little bit weird. Like I can see like little fibers on the top, and I do feel like there's something in my eye, but I'm not gonna say that's entirely DDK's fault because I am a little bit clumsy applying things, and I feel like maybe I shouldn't be getting as close to my waterline as I am trying to apply it on my lower lashes, but okay, so I'll give it that. But honestly, I mean, it's true, it's living up to its standards. It's creating like a false length in your lash, not very orderly. Maybe there's a appropriate way to apply it to fix that, but as of now, I mean, it's pretty cool. Oh my god, I want to continue applying. Like I want the lashes the girl in the video had, so I'm kind of addicted. Let's continue applying this to see wherever this goes, okay? So let's continue. It just makes a mess. Like, can you see? It kind of makes like a little mess. You have to keep cleaning it all the time. Can you see my eye already starts getting irritated? That's why I don't like to wear these things, okay? It's pretty cool, but it doesn't do very well with my eyes. Like, my eyes get irritated for nothing. So, but honestly, guys, look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that.
3 hours later.
Okay guys, so really quick, I just want to show you this. This wasn't even supposed to be on this video, but I just decided to show you because I was washing my face to go to sleep, right? And like I didn't scrub or anything, but I just like threw water against my face because that's what I always do before I put the soap on. And like it didn't like come off. Like look, I'm like rubbing it very gently though, but like you can see. Can you see? Like the fibers are coming out, but the lash is not like, it's not coming off. Not in a bad way, like it's weird. Like, can you see? Look at that, like how it's like Like if I rub it, like, oh shit, I'm a panda. Panda, panda, panda. Like, look at that, like how it comes off, like shit. Well, I'm not gonna use this finger because that'll be, and like I'm rubbing this, and it's like, just the fibers come out and it doesn't like, you know, like smudge like that. So that was weird. Woo. Well, I just wanted to show you guys that to end the review. Okay, so bye, subscribe to the channel. So what can I say? What is my conclusion on this? I mean, I like it, but at the same time, I will not be wearing this as often or as dramatizing as I just did it because of the simple fact of the fibers falling in my eyes. See, I can feel another one. I just took one out and I can feel another one. This really irritates my eyes. Like my eyes get irritated for no damn reason. Like even when I'm like, sometimes like if you guys use Mary Kay foundation, like some foundation will burn, make my eyes burn. I don't know, my eyes are sensitive. So if you have sensitive eyes, you'll understand what I'm saying. But that's the only reason why I won't be wearing this often. Like imagine if I go to a party, right, and I have these banging lashes, but then all of a sudden like I have all the time to clean my eyes or be picking at my eyes like this to make sure that there's no fibers in my eye, or if I feel a fiber in my eye and I can't wash it. Like you can't just wash your face like in the middle of the party. Oh no, there's something in my eye, let me wash my face. People who wear makeup can't do that. So yeah, that's the reason why I won't be wearing this, because you know the fibers will be falling on my eyes for sure, and I cannot handle that very well because I'll look like I'm drugged or stoned or something like that. So not very good idea. Besides that, it really lives up to the standards. I mean, it does what it says it does. It gives you a fake length to your eyelashes that you didn't have. So it's like eyelash lengthening in a mascara. So basically this was $17, $18, I don't remember, so that's really cheap. And then you can do it as big and as often as you like. So this is really cool and I am pretty satisfied with it. So tell me what you guys thought in the comments. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you thought, if you try this, if you want to buy it. I'm going to leave the link here in the description box. so you guys can purchase it. Let me know what you guys think, and that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to leave your thumbs up on this video and subscribe to the channel, and until my next video, bye.